Hello everyone. Today it's Indian Mathematics Olympiad, and in this question paper we have 10 number of questions, and the first question is about how many triangles in given figure. So let's see, there is a kind of a quadrilateral which is this one. So first quadrilateral is this one and second will be this one. So we have two quadrilateral. So first of all, just count the internal triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. These four triangles are there. Just a second, just make a pin. Now, this is one more triangle, which means fifth, and this is sixth triangle. We have six triangle here. One more triangle, seventh triangle, and this one is eighth triangle. Two more triangle. If you see the same figure, so this is 9 triangle and this is 10 triangle. So total number of triangle in this figure is 10. Now, in the second question is given, there is a certain relationship between the first and second figure. Establish the similar relationship between figure third and fourth. Seeing the suitable figure from the option which is replaced in question mark. So first of all, there is a triangle, and triangle has three different figures. One is star and the circle and one up arrow. Then I think position changed. The position is clockwise. In clockwise position, generally suppose that there is a clock and we have a different kind of the numbers in clock. Maybe suppose this is the clock 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So in clockwise, generally what happen? The hand rotates from this direction to this direction. For example, there is a 10 o'clock. So after 10, 11 o'clock, then 12 o'clock, then 1 o'clock. So in this way, this direction is called the clockwise direction. Just opposite direction, which is in this direction. For example, from 1 to move on 12, then move 11, then move 12. So this is what anti-clock direction. So accordingly, these figure, what we get, it's a kind of clockwise movement. So in clockwise movement, basically what happened, suppose this circle is in this position, it turn there and start turn there, then the arrow turn there. Similarly, if I make the same direction for this figure, so the arrow should be in place of the star. It means suppose I draw a picture here in this way, okay, and now I just try to put these all the pictures. So this arrow come in this side, this star come in this side, this circle come in this side, and the S is come in this side. So any figure match with this one. I think the first one is matched already. Oh, one more thing is there. The small square which is come in this position, it means this small triangle must be come in this position. And this may be true, but the triangle is problem. Here the same figure you get in there and triangle is also in this position. So D will be the answer for this question. I hope you got the answer. So next question. In the question number third, we have some letters are given which are the numbers in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, followed the four options containing combinations of these numbers. Find the combination numbers so that the letters are arranged accordingly. Form a meaningful English word. So words are N, O, L, E, D, G. whenever such kind of questions come, so always remember vowels has a very crucial position and try to remember all the possible words. Do not just try to arrange this word. Instead, you must try to put all the words option by option. For example, there is a 6 in the first option, so G, the position will be G. Okay, sorry, we can write it this way as G. Now, after G, the second position O, okay, put it here. Then the third position L, put here. Then the fourth position is what? Fourth position should be 6 to third, 6 to third. Then fifth position, fifth position will be D. Then fourth position will be E. Then first position will be. So this is a meaningful letter. So by this way, I think you get your answer quickly. And one more thing. Rare cases, the word started with the vowel. So if you put the same letter with the second one, for example, you put in this one B number. So G 5. 5 means D. So D must become the first place. Then fourth letter should be E in the second position. Then first letter should be N. Then sixth letter will be G. Then second letter will be O. Then the last letter will be 3. So 3 means L. So Dengol is not a word. So golden is most of the weird word. So we can go with the option A. I hope you get. The next difference between the place value. Okay, there is a two kind of the values we must be learn about these values. First of all, face value. Face value means face value, FA. Face value means the same value whatever the exactly number has. For example, we have a digit and the digit is 42613 5. So if in this question say what is the face value of 6, so face value of 6 must be 6, no changes. And if it say what is the place value of 6, so we must count the place. So first of all 1, then 10, then 100, then 1000, then it should be 10,000, it should be lakh. So in this condition we get in the fourth position 1000. For 1000 means the value of 6, place value of the 6 must be 6000. I hope you get what is face value, what is place value. Place value means in which place the number, the digit exists, in which place the number exists. Face value, the actual value of the given number. For example, 9. So 9 comes in anywhere in given digit, but its place value may differ, but face value always same as the 9. Okay. Now, after place and face value, acknowledge what we did. We need to find the difference of the place value of the 4 and 5. So in this question, 4 in the position of 4, 1, 2, 3, count them. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 4 lakh. And the place value of 5 is what? 500. So we just subtract 500 from the 4 lakh. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then subtract this value. So what we get? I think 0, 0, 5, 9, 9. 3,99,500. So which is the answer is B. So we go for B. I hope you got. Next. And the next question. Given the given figure is made up to rectangle. 3 rectangles are there. Then find the length of the CD. Okay, we need to find the length of the CD. If you separate this figure in three rectangles. The first rectangle, which is, you can get the name the P, and this value will be Q. So ABHP is a rectangle, EFPG is a rectangle, CPDC is a rectangle. So value of AB is 5. So the opposite side of a rectangle should be equal. So this value is also 5. Value of this rectangle is 4 as a EF. So opposite side of this rectangle should be same. So it will be 4 centimeter. The total length of this HG is 17, and you have two values 5 and 4, which is you add, so you get 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So total value is 17, and the two part of this is given 9. So rest value will be 17 minus 9, which is, I think, 8. So CD should be 8 centimeter. Is there any option of 8? Oh, yeah, this is. So we can go for C option. How many multiples of 10 are there from 20 to 150? 20 to 150. It means what? We have a number 20 to 150. So 20 is a multiple of 20 is a multiple of 10. Then after 20 you get the 30. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. You just count these all the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so you go for this one. I think you got the answer. Okay, if you get these all the questions, so please support us and motivate us by your like. The flight of a Chennai to Dubai is given the 4.45 hour. Okay, if it landed Dubai at 9:15, the timing to landed in Dubai, it's 9:15. So add 4 hours here directly. So when you add 4 hours in 9, so 9:15 means if you add 1 hour, 10:15. If you add again 1 hour, 11:15. If you add again 12:15. If you add again, it should be 1:15. 1:15 means you can say 13:15, whatever. Okay. No. Actually, time is given. Sorry. Some misunderstanding in this question. 4:45 hour. It means that it's early morning time, and it took time as a 9:15. So we have 9:15, and we subtract 4:45 from the 9:15. So there is a 15 and there is a 45. So 45 cannot subtract by the 15. So we just give it 1. When we give it 1, it means we give it 60 minute. So 60 minute plus 15 minute become the 75 minute. Okay, children, from the 75 minute you subtract 45 minute, you get 30 minutes. And here, because already 1 hour you give to the minutes portion, so there is a 8 hours only. So 8 subtracted, 4 subtracted from the 8, you get 4 hours. So total time to reach the flight from the Chennai to Dubai must be C option, 4 hours 30 minutes. The next question is given the total numbers of the children in a class 40. 7 children were absent on Monday. What fractions total children should be present on Monday? Okay, so in this question, we just subtract the value. We just subtract the value which are not present. Okay, so 7 is absent. So number of present students what? 40 total. Okay, and absent is what? 7. So total present students what? 33. In your class, suppose that you are absent and your friend is absent. Total strength in your class 30. So what the now student of your class. You 2 are absent na? So what you did? 40 minus 2. Similarly, 7 are absent. So 40 minus 7, you get value 33. So 33 as a numerator and denominator 40, because in fraction we always write numerator as a smaller and the total number. Okay, so this will be B is your answer. Now question is going to tough. I hope you understand. Please like and support. Yeah, you can also subscribe my channel. I'm totally new for you. Pinku, Ravi, Brajesh, Raghu are friends. The graph shows the numbers of twice car each of them. What can we conclude from the given graph? There is a graph is number of toys car. Pinku has so many cars. How many cars you have? Can you comment? How many cars? Ravi has these cars. Raghu has these cars. Prayesh has these cars. This is a smaller portion of data. So today I'm going to tell you about the data. So what is data? Data means suppose this line is up to 40. So 40 is what? The number of toys car having Pinku. Ravi numbers are there, this one. So number of toys car with the Ravi around 30. And for Raghu it's a 20. For Brajesh is 10. You can see the largest number having darkest color. Why? Because it shows the largest number of cars, and the least number have a brightest color. Why? Because it shows least number of the cars. Here the questions given. Okay, what can you conclude? Brajesh has 1/3 number of car. Twice car has Pico. Pico has 40 car. If you find 1/3 of 40, so it means you cannot get a whole value. So first answer is wrong. Must be the remainder come, and car should not be in decimal. Car either be 4 or 5, not 4.5. Example, in your family member, you and your parent. So 3% exist. So we cannot say you are youngest. So you can say no sir, we have 2.5 member. No. Numbers should be whole. 3 children have more than 20. 3 children have more than 20 cars. Not 3 children. I think. Okay, the data is around. I think 2 children. Ravi has twice as many cars Brajesh has. Ravi has twice. No, it has thrice. Brajesh has one car less than Raghu. No. I think we should go with the option of the B. 3 children more than. In this question number 9, we should be go for the Ravi has twice. Sorry, C option. Ravi has twice as many as car has Brajesh. Yeah. Ravi has twice as many car has Brajesh has. Brajesh has around. Okay, this is sorry, my dear children. This is the 15. Okay, Brajesh has 15 cars and Ravi has 30 cars. So we should go with the option C, because Ravi has twice car than Brajesh. So the last question of today, what is the sum of the values of numbers and value of the smaller number? What is the sum of the value of number and value of smaller number? So there is a, I think, sum of the value in initial, there is a sum of the value is given 286, sorry 210 and 4 and 246, 325, 246. What is the sum of value of number and value of a smaller number? Value of a smaller number. No. Actually, I didn't read the entire question. Sanji thinks to 2 numbers. The difference between the numbers is 8. Okay. The product of numbers of 128 and both numbers are even numbers. So I hope all the numbers are even, though third points are agree for every point. every option. The product of numbers should be 128. So if you multiply by 28 to 8, so 8 4 times, so it's not. So this is not, we cannot get the value for 8 times 30. The product of the numbers is 128. 4 8 times 30 to 2 as a last digit. So no, the difference of number is 8. The difference of numbers should be 8. 8 should be, I think this is something wrong in this question, because 128 product is not for any number. If we multiply the number 8 2 times 16, 8 4 times 32, so unit place 2, here 6, 16 4 times means 4. It should be I think 16, because the difference also we consider. So if we find the difference between, so do we get 24, here the difference is 16, here the difference is around 24, here the difference is 6, sorry 8. So here difference is, I think, up to the marks, but the product is not, so none option is there. So this is the International Mathematics Olympiad for India, and 10 questions we discuss. I hope you understand well. Thank you so much for watching. I am a doubts. Meet soon in the next video.